that in the bowl.
I'm so looking for that.
It's my phone. Just going in the bowl.
Hey. Hi, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, my name is Tamsin. If you're returning, then welcome back. That was weird. Today's video, I'm going to make you my eyebrows laminated. I have actually had them done once, but the lady was really lovely. She comes into where I work and does it there, so I had a little chat with her and she said it was fine if I filmed, so that's good. So this is currently what my eyebrows look like. I have plucked them in between, but obviously they're in desperate need of like a pluck and done. But I just thought I'd totally leave them because obviously I'm having them waxed and stuff like that as well, and this is super overgrown. But yeah, to be fair, I really like how it lasted last time. Hello. It's been like a month and a bit since I last had them done, and I really liked them last time, but apparently they get better as you get them done more often. So I'm super excited to have them done again because I really liked them and they were super easy to style and stuff like that. If you haven't heard of lamination, it's basically when you just perm your eyebrows and you can sort of brush them into shape and they stay. So you've got to like wet them first before you do your makeup or whatever, and then or put your skincare into your eyebrows and brush it to however you want it to stay for the day. And yeah, then it should stay. And I also get them tinted. I don't get them tinted too much because obviously my hair does match my eyebrows pretty well. So yeah, I'm gonna go and get my eyebrows done now. So hope you enjoy the video. If you want to see my eyebrow lamination process, then obviously carry on watching. And don't forget to give me a thumbs up if you enjoy this video, and I'll see you in a second.
How did you find styling them and everything last time?
Yeah, it took me a while to like realise how to do it properly, yeah. And then I've like tried to rewatch some of your highlights on your Instagram. But yeah, after I really like them because you could make some of it bushy, yeah, and then some of it not. Yeah, definitely. That's why I love them, because you can literally, if you hate them, you can just go back to normal. Like, yeah, you haven't got to be fluffy all the time, basically. Yeah. Sam. This is the smelly part, isn't it? With the... Yeah, this is the smelly part. Oh, the stinky but the good part. So yeah, this is just the like resetting solution. So this is just gonna break all the bonds down in the hair, and it's just gonna make them nice and soft. So this is how you can get that nice new fluffy shape, and it gives it a little bit more flexibility. So yeah, I'm just popping this on, not too neat, just literally right in there so it's covered every single hair. I'm gonna leave it on for about 5-6 minutes so it's had time to just settle in. That's good, it's not too long, is it? It's not like 20 minutes or something like that. No, it's not, because some of them like are quite like long process wise, and I don't know if like you've already seen on YouTube, but you can get some fluffy brow treatments or brow lamination. It is the same thing. They put cling film over the brow. I saw that. Yeah. So yeah, leave that on. About 3 minutes left. So you can see they're going nice and fluffy already. Let's see how the hair is like a little bit more movable and straighter. So that's how you want to get them. That's good that you can see it quite easily. Yeah, you can see it. That's why you don't need the cling film, because like you've got more control over what's happening. Yeah. It's that similar with hair, isn't it? Like sometimes you don't need foil or like whatever, so you can see what's happening properly. Yeah, just the same, just a different place. But yeah, I might leave them on slightly longer just because your hair, you've got like a lot of it. Sometimes it just needs that extra couple of minutes. I've got quite wiry eyebrows, haven't I? I feel like.
They are, but they're not. They're like, I don't know,
It's very strange.
Yeah, it is. You haven't got any like granddad hairs that poke out like this. Oh, that's funny. Little old man hairs. A lot of my clients who've got old microblading, they've had it on top of their microblading just to get rid of that like harshness, and it looks really nice. It just freshens the microblading up.
That's good.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah, I've seen a few on yours. I really liked it, didn't I? And then you said, yeah, I did microblade.
Sorry, microbladed brows. No hairs poking through.
Yeah.
Which is amazing. Well, I'm just going to mix up the number 2. Give me a second. Next one that I'm popping on is just like the resetting solution. So this is going to basically set the new bonds in the hair, if you want technical terms, into their new shape. So it will hold this sort of shape, but it is movable, obviously, which you know, once it has set, you can restyle them and whatnot. It's kind of like the glue. It will just glue them all back into position. They're gonna look so nice. Were you happy with your tint colour before?
Yeah, I did like it. It was like natural, wasn't it?
Yeah, nothing too crazy.
No, otherwise I think it'd look funny if it was too dark.
Yeah, you do have to be careful with fluffy brows or like brow lamination, because once you've laminated them and then you tint them, because they're more porous, obviously like bleach, they do tend to go darker. So you're better to shade down in your tint and leave it on for less time as well, because it just goes...
It just sinks in.
Soaks all up, and then you don't want black brows. Definitely. If you're fair as well, like you are, little baby girl. Leave that on for 5. Right, so I'm just gonna pop your tint on now and just get it everywhere so you get like all the little hairs as well. Because well, I know that you like them quite fluffy, so you want to get all the baby hairs, because that will give you that extra.
Sorry, man.
No, it's fine. Extra bit of fluff. And yeah, you just want to leave this on for less time than a normal tint, because it will just take much quicker. So maybe like 1-2 minutes.
That's good, that's pretty fast.
Yeah. Oh, that's the gym. I felt that.
Yeah, it probably like
vibrated.
So that I'm record now if they ever say anything.
I know, yeah. Thanks, Jim. Right, leave that on for a couple of minutes. Looking crazy. Cool. Right, I'm just gonna brush them up so you'll be able to see how much fluff you can get now.
Look at that.
It's back. The fluff is back. So yeah, I like to brush them up before I shape them, because you can see exactly where you need to take out.
Otherwise it can look too long, can't it?
It can look too long. And do you know what? Some of my clients will just like leave them like this. They like it quite like fluffy and organic.
Yeah.
It depends how fluffy you want to go, to be honest. But if you like a bit of structure, I would say just take like the little bits off. Like you can see exactly where you need to take out, just like these little sections, and same this side. Maybe a tiny bit in the middle here. But yeah,
and I like last time how you like cut them at the top, you know, so it wasn't too like
so we took like a little bit out here and a little bit out here. Because they can be super fluffy, especially if you want to style them like how I am now to do your tint. Like they can look too long.
Yeah, you'd
look
be
how
like...
crazy. It's like dress hunt vibe.
Like,
Super big brows.
Yeah.
But no, so yeah, we'll cut them down slightly because I know you more like style them more like this, don't
yeah. You? Yeah, with it like fluffy at like the top.
Fluffy at the top, but more structure here.
Yeah,
but yeah,
definitely.
For the purpose of tidying, I just like to brush them super crazy.
Waxing.
Waxing.
I'm so cute for that.
It's my head. Just going in the bowl.
Headroom.
What is that? Is it too warm?
No, it's nice.
There's a couple of hairs that I'll probably get, like a couple here, couple here, a little bit of fluff here that I'll probably tweeze out. Right, I'm just gonna come back in the middle, just fix this little nut. Got a little bit of fluff. Beautiful. How loud?
Oh no, it's so loud.
It's actually scary. It's like, oh my god. No, I'll just brush them all up first. Just take out little bits. So when you trim in for a fluffy brow, you just want to like point cut into it. So you don't want to have like any harsh lines because you're going to lose the fluff then. They're looking good.
Looking good.
Could you imagine life without a fluffy brow?
I know, it'd
Like,
be
what
weird.
was life before? I actually genuinely don't know.
Do you know they don't have this in America yet?
Don't they?
I was saying about it, I was like, have you got like fluffy lamination brows? So like, what? And I had to explain it to them.
Oh my god.
So maybe, I think it's only just started coming there, so.
Yeah, well it, like Russia, it come from Russia, so Russia have been doing it about 2 years.
Really?
And it come to the UK not long before I trained, so I've been doing it since September.
Yeah.
Which is like, I think I was the first person to do it in Redditch.
Really?
Don't quote me on it, but I'm saying, I'm going there.
Yeah, you're going there.
I'm going there. And there's still actually not that many people that are doing it.
No.
And then when I've been on YouTube and watched videos, I've only been able to find like Australia.
Yeah, I
that have
found
been
that.
having it.
Yeah.
So yeah, I don't think there's many places doing it yet.
No, which is good. Wow, for you anyway.
Yeah, for me. But I've done so many now, it's crazy. Like everyone's like, can you please give me those fluffy brows?
Yeah, I want to try something new.
Do you want a bit of concealer and stuff in?
Yeah, if you've got some.
Yeah? And we can make you look normal.
Yes.
Okay. 2 sets.
My skin goes quite red, doesn't it?
Yeah, actually, I should probably talk about styling them, shouldn't I?
Yeah.
Right, let me wet them down.
Oh,
The most important part.
it's really cozy here.
Hey. So, I've just got a little bit of micellar on a cotton pad. I'm just going to wipe over your brows because little tips and tricks for fluffy brows, which you already know because you're a pro. You can only style them when they're wet because obviously they're going to dry to their new shape. So if you style them when they're dry, they're not going to have like that, I suppose like, it's like a curl.
Yeah.
So like, you don't want, say if you have curly hair and you brush it, obviously it's going to dry frizzy. So you want to brush them into the style that you want. So they're wet down now. You can do it with like when you wash your face, or you can do it when you've got your skincare in, because obviously what we've done is a chemical treatment. So I'm gonna put sometimes sometimes your brows can go a little bit dry, so you better to just like rub your serum or moisturizer in them. So you just get them flat like we've got them now. So I'll show you how to style them. So if you want them totally normal, how your normal brows would be, you would literally just brush them back to how Tamsin's normal brows are. If you want them super fluffy, it would be like how I showed you before. So you just brush them all, little brow hair there, all straight up in like a straight line. Just like at a 90 degree, well it's not a 90 degree angle, but you know what I mean. Straight up like this. So you get all the fluff. If you want them more like curved around, so you like them obviously with your fluff at the front, so we brush them more like an angled sort of vibe, and then we brush the tails down, so like this. So you've still got your fluff at the front. It looks microbladed, this is why, because it gives you that like definition. So yeah, you'd leave them at the front, brush them pretty much straight up, or slightly curved, and then yeah, I just like to get the edge of my wand, curve them round. So I'll just do the same. They look so different compared.
They do. That one looks really flat, and then that one looks really
like fine. This is like super soap brows, like Instagram.
Instagram brows.
Yeah, editorial vibes.
And this one's more like
just more natural. Yeah. Looks like you've just like feathered that bit in. And then this is what I mean, like, so styling. I personally wouldn't bother putting any brow product in you because I don't think you need it. No. But if you did, you could just get like a pencil and just like feather, hairline stroke this front bit in. And then if you did want a pomade, I would just do your pomade from this angle and just give your arch that little bit of definition. Happy with that shape?
Yeah, I really like it.
Perfect. So I'm going to pop a little bit of serum on just to give them extra hydration, and then we're just going to conceal all round so you can see Tamsin's new fresh brows. Woo.
They look good. Yeah, I really like them.
They look so nice, don't they? I love them. I'm definitely doing mine.
Did you want to explain where you work and like how much it is and stuff like that?
Can do. So I'm just cleaning my so Fluffy Brow is £35. And it lasts anywhere from like 6 to 8 weeks depending on like your hair growth. I'd say, I would always say that the second time's better because it's almost like had that extra time, and like it's kind of got that like extra bit to sink in, hasn't it?
Yeah, definitely.
So yeah, it includes like everything that we've done today. So the setting treatment, tint, wax, little style after, and like a little lesson. I normally work from home, so I have like a little beauty room at home. My Instagram is done.up, sorry.
Which will be in the description.
Yeah, which Tam's going to put in the description down below. Yeah, I think that's everything.
And your name.
Oh, my name's Natalie. I never introduced myself.
This is Natalie.
I'm Nat, welcome. But yeah, I sometimes come to Ice Maidens in Redditch, like every couple of months to do a few clients here, which is how I know Tamsin. So yeah. But yeah.
So yeah, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed it, and I love these brows. So yeah, see you next week. Bye.